here we are in 5.7, and we're going to be talking about system of equations, and we're going to talk about 3 ways to solve system of equations. But first, we want to learn about how to check to see if it is a solution. So I'm going to ask, is this 0, 2, this 0, negative 2, if this point is a solution to the system of equations? Now you might be going, what is a system of equations? Well, a system of equations is when you have 2 or more lines graphed on the same coordinate plane. And whatever those points have in common is what we call a solution. So if this point here makes the first one true and the second one true, then this would be a solution to the system of equations. So how are we going to check it? We're going to check it by plugging that into both of these. So the first one is 2 times x minus 3 times y equals 6. Remember, this is x and this is y. So this is 2 times x, so that would be 2 times 0, minus 3 times y, which is negative 2, equals 6. Is that true? If it's not true for both, then it's not a solution to the system of equations. So this would be 0 plus 6 equals 6. So does 6 equal 6? Yes. So that one's correct. So that's the first one. But I have to check the other one. So I have 2x plus y equals 10. So 2 times 0 plus negative 2, does that equal 10? Well, 2 times 0 is 0 plus negative 2, that would be negative 2 equals 10. Wait, does negative 2 equal 10? No, that is not true. So since this is not true, 0, negative 2 does not make this side true. It's true for this one, but it's not true for that one. So this is not a solution. It has to work for all of them for it to be a solution. So let's try another one. Let me erase real quick.
This is number 4, and it says 3/4 x plus 2/3 y equals negative 19 over 6. And the second equation is y equals negative 1/3 x. And our point we want to check is negative 6, 2.
So is this point a solution to the system of equations? That's what the question is in 5.7 so far. So how we do that is we take that point and we plug it into this one. If it works, we go to this one. If it works, it's a solution. So here we go. 3/4 times negative 6 plus 2/3 times 2. Does it equal negative 19 over 6? So we can cancel out a 2 here because 4 divided by 2 is 2. And this divided by 2 would be 3. So this would be negative 9/2 plus 4 over 3. Does it equal negative 19 over 6? I need to get common denominators to add. So my common denominator would be 6. 2 times 3 gets me 6. So 9 times 3 would be 27. 3 times 2 would be 6. 4 times 2 is 8. And negative 27 plus 8, is it negative 19 over 6? 8 from 7 is 16. No, it's not. What am I thinking? 8 from 17 is 9. And then this would be negative 19 over 6. Does equal negative 19 over 6. So that one worked. So is it true? I don't know yet. We got to check the other one. So I got to come over here and I got to go y. Well, what's y? Y is 2. Does it equal negative 1/3 times negative 6? 3 goes into 6 2 times. 2 equals negative times a negative is a positive 2. Yes. Since it worked for both, this is a solution. Okay? All right. We're going to pick up with another video in a second. See you in a bit.